In this video, we will be replacing the vacuum switching valve in this 2003 Toyota Camry. Taking a look in the engine bay, we want to focus our attention on the driver's side portion of the engine. Specifically, we are looking for the air filter housing assembly. And taking a look at our air filter housing assembly, we want to locate the vacuum switching valve on the back side of this housing assembly. And as we take a look at this, we do see that we have a line that is broke, so we will be replacing this. We have a wiring harness with a small tab that needs to be depressed. And then I'm going to slide my clamp down a little bit. If we take a look at the vacuum switching valve, we have a mounting bracket holding it in place. On our mounting bracket, we have one Phillips head screw. And then we can work that off. Additionally, I'll see if I can get that little broken piece out of the hose. And our new vacuum switching valve can be installed in the reverse order. And at this point, this repair is complete.